Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this repair. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have everything on hand before starting. Start by unplugging your Dyson V11 from the charging dock to ensure safety. Next, locate the 2 screws that secure the dustbin cover. These are usually found on the rear side of the dustbin. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the dustbin cover away from the dustbin. Be cautious while doing this, as the cover might be slightly stuck due to debris accumulation. If you encounter any resistance, use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it off, but be careful not to damage the surrounding plastic. Now that the dustbin cover is removed, take a moment to inspect the dustbin for any dirt or debris that may have built up inside. Use your microfiber cloth to wipe down the interior, ensuring it is clean for optimal performance. This step is crucial for maintaining the efficiency of your Dyson V11. With the dustbin clean, it's time to prepare the new dustbin cover for installation. Align the cover with the dustbin, making sure that all clips and edges fit snugly. Press down firmly until you hear a click, indicating that the cover is securely in place. Next, retrieve the screws you set aside earlier. Using your Phillips screwdriver, reinsert the screws to secure the dustbin cover. Ensure they are tightened adequately, but avoid over-tightening, as this could crack the plastic. If at any point you feel unsure about performing this repair yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can get expert advice without any commitment to proceed with repairs. Once the screws are in place, double-check that the dustbin cover is secure and correctly aligned. You should be able to open and close it smoothly without any obstruction. If everything looks good, plug your Dyson V11 back in. For those who may not have the tools or time to complete this task themselves, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service allows you to avoid the hassle of calls and travel, making the repair process as convenient as possible. Finally, after ensuring everything is in order, test the vacuum to confirm that it operates correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs up front. In summary, replacing the dustbin cover on your Dyson V11 is a straightforward process that can be done with minimal tools and time. However, if you ever feel the need for professional help, remember our services are just a call away. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.